Hey guys, in this video I just want to talk about Clickfunnels and using it for lead gen and real estate. I've done lots of lead gen for my own niche, but I just kind of wanted to try a little test, and it was kind of interesting because I never really looked at a real estate funnel before. So I set up just a simple little funnel for some realtors and sent it out to them, and sent them a link to a video where I showed them how to, like, basically how it worked, right? And it by far, it was like my most popular video on Facebook, of my Facebook videos of the time. Because between the people that I sent it to and the fact that it must have been searchable and the terms and whatnot, like realtors are looking for lead gen. I don't think a lot of them are using, just simple lead gen funnels very effectively. So it was a pretty simple test. And then, like, when I laid it down in the video, just the engagement level, it was just the highest one by far. So if you're like, how do I make some money as a funnel designer or funnel consultant, or what's like a quick, kind of niche that I can get into, where I can approach people and be like, hey, I can build this for you if you're interested, I would say lead gen for realtors. They're always interested in that kind of thing. And, lots of them are somewhat tech savvy, but I don't think many of them actually are when it comes to, I think they understand the concept, but then once they get in there and start playing around with the software, I think that's where things kind of go awry for them. So, it was like just huge engagement level. Honestly, I think it's just like a huge one. If I wasn't so invested in my own business as far as what I was doing, if I was going to be like an agency, that's probably one of the first niches that I would start with, to reach out to people and be like, hey, I can, develop your business for you, or I can help you, get leads using software. This is for people who kind of like understand it, but don't want to spend the time doing it. Right. So yeah. It was awesome. I just remember it and I wanted to talk about it, make a quick little video for you. And I'll see you in the next video.